Hi guys, Adele from Gobalik. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a peek at TRS Coral, which is part of the Grand Palladium complex in Costa Mujeres, Mexico. You may have seen a video of this room already on my channel. I must admit I was a bit too harsh in that video, so I'm doing this again. Bear in mind that because we went during the peak of COVID, we experienced reduced staffing and modified amenities, and so maybe our experience at the time wasn't as great as it could be or is now today. But still, the facilities were beautiful. The swim up room was beautiful. I would recommend this swim up room, which faces the back of the hotel, more than I do the front swim up rooms facing the main pool, which we switched to thinking it would be better, but it was not. The circulation in the back swim up rooms in the water is much nicer, much cooler. The pool is filled to the top, so the body of water definitely feels cleaner. The front facing rooms, not so much, but still the rooms are well appointed. They're pretty high tech. The all-inclusive format comes with everything you could expect from a 5-star, a well-stocked fridge, 24-hour room service. I will say this place promises top-shelf liquor, but we really didn't experience all of that top-shelf liquor-ness. But the food over at Helios Restaurant, which is part of the TRS side of the resort, is awesome. We did have a butler also assigned to us. When he came to the room, he didn't quite know who we were and he called us by the wrong name. But again, that's okay. I think the resort was just understaffed at the time that we went. If you have a special occasion, you can expect an extra decoration, an extra gift surprise in your room, which was really, really nice. Again, I would recommend this resort, and in my last video, I will admit I was a little bit too harsh, but after some more traveling and comparing to other resorts, I would recommend this place. I certainly would recommend this place still over, let's say, an Iberostar brand. As you know now about me, I'm not a big fan of Iberostar, so definitely choose TRS over them. If I were to give you advice, that would be it. So thank you for watching, and happy and safe travels.